Another day, another case. This time is the tongues. Let's hear from 5 guys.
Hi, my name is Pei.
Hi, my name is Ziqi. My name is Yushen.
My name is Tammy.
My name is Jiaxi.
Our topic is what can your tongue tell you?
Let's hear the survey from several students. Hi, have you ever heard that tongue can reflect your health condition?
Yeah, I heard it before.
Yes.
When you see something unusual on your tongue, what do you usually do?
So basically, I usually Google.
Google search.
Do you believe that traditional medicine can diagnose illness by looking at the tongue?
Yes.
Yes.
How often do you check your tongue in the mirror?
I think sometimes, only when I feel uncomfortable.
Like once a week.
Would you be interested in learning more about what your tongue reveals about your health?
Yeah, if I have chance, I would like to learn more about it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's start by looking at how your tongue can reveal what's going on inside your body.
Inspector's Report, Case File Number 001. Our first clue? The tongue. Traditional Chinese medicine uses 4 main diagnostic methods to assess health, which are inspection, smelling and listening, inquiry, and palpation. Among these, inspection, or wangzhen, is especially important. It involves carefully observing the patient's external features, like their face, skin, and particularly the tongue. Tongue diagnosis is a key part of inspection because the tongue can reveal much about the condition of the internal organs and the body's balance. In the following slides, I will focus on how tongue inspection works and what practitioners look for. In tongue diagnosis, TCM practitioners don't just look, they analyze specific features. These include the tongue's color, shape, coating, and cracking. Each of these tells us something different about the body's energy, organs, or imbalances. Turns out, this wasn't just any tongue. It was a map, a blueprint of the body. The tongue is seen as a health map. Different areas of the tongue correspond to different internal organs. The tip pointed to the heart and lungs. The center, digestion central. The sides hinted at the liver and the root. That's where the kidneys, bladder, and intestines whisper their story.
So now I will tell you what information from your tongue color. Let's go!
Color indicate the condition of the blood and qi, ritual life energy. So, for the pale tongue often suggests qi or blood deficiency, commonly linked to fatigue, anemia, or weakness. It often suggests that body's energy level are low and there might be issues with spleen. Next is the red tongue. Red tongue typically associated with heat syndrome, such as inflammation, infection, or fever, indicating an excess of heat in the body. A red tip suggests heart heat, often linked to the emotional stress. So, for the purplish tongue is a sign of blood stagnation. Blood flow is not smooth. It potentially indicating poor circulation, chronic pain, or internal blockage.
Now I'll move on to what can our tongue tell you.
Now I will talk about tongue shape and size. It can reveal a lot about our overall health. Let's dive in. The tongue is not just for talking or tasting. It is a powerful diagnostic tool. Variation in its shape and size can signal everything from nutritional deficiency to systemic disease. A healthy tongue should be symmetrical, with a smooth surface and slightly rounded edge. It should fit comfortably in your mouth without pressing against your teeth. If your tongue looks like this, things are functioning well. Now, we will see some abnormal tongue like geographic tongue, swollen tongue with scalloped edge, thin and narrow tongue. Lastly, how can we maintain a healthy tongue shape? Preventing is key. Stay hydrated, address nutritional gap like B vitamins, and treat underlying conditions like hypothyroidism. Avoid tongue trauma like biting, excessive teeth gritting. If you grind your teeth, a night guard might save your tongue from scalloping. This is very important because simple step, big impact.
Now I would like to talk about the cracking on the tongue.
In traditional Chinese medicine, the different patterns and location of the cracks can explain the organ state and conditions. Now, let's look at some common examples. A long central crack is usually a sign of stomach insufficiency. This means the stomach is not enough cooling fluid, leading to internal heat in the stomach. Symptoms that include such as dry mouth, dry tongue, and thirst. Meat-like crust at the tip of the tongue may indicate heart issues, often showing symptoms like chest tightness, sleep disturbances. Short horizontal cracks can appear at the center or tip of the tongue. These cracks often indicate indeficiency and poor digestive system function, meaning the body lack of cooling and nourishing fluid, causing certain organs to become dry. If cracks in the center might be stomach issues, while those at the tip could be lung issue like dry throat or cold.
Now I would like to talk about the coating on the tongue. In traditional Chinese medicine, tongue coating can reflect the body's internal health. There are 3 common patterns. First, very thin or absent coating. It shows indeficiency or a lack of fluid. This can lead to dry mouth, night sweats, hot flashes, dry skin, and insomnia. Second, thick white coating. It indicates cold dampness or phlegm, and often linked to poor digestion, diarrhea, fatigue, persistent coughing, or respiratory infection. Lastly, thick yellow coating. It usually means there's too much heat and dampness in the body, especially in the digestive system. It may cause bad breath, constipation, inflammation, stomach ulcers, or acid reflux.
That's all for us. Thank you.